Today welcome all for the CSP webinar. So my name is Engineer Muhammad Ali. Okay, and today certified safety professional webinar we are going to be conduct. So there are many questions from different student, different clients. So what is the mandatory requirements? How to become CSP and all? There are many questions are arising during my visit. So we have planned to get all your doubt clear, and our expert, I'm going to be introduced Mr. Jaya Karthik. He is a Bachelor of Engineering, more than 20 years experience in the Gulf countries as a HSC consultant. He is international diploma holder, diploma holder, and also he was certified safety professional, CSP certified person, and he has very good grade and course grade marks achieved in that CSP examinations. He has well experience and knowledge in the calculations, and I'm going to be give the session to him actually. Welcome, Mr. Karthik. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anandal, for joining this session. And we welcome all of you from the M2Y Training and Consultant. I thank Mr. Mohammad Ali also, for giving me this opportunity to interact with all you guys. And I really appreciate all of you, for joining in the weekend, also to your, learning skills. So today we are going to talk about CSP, Certified Safety Professional course from the Board of Certified, from the BCSP, Board of Certified Safety Professional, which is from the USA. So what Board of Certified Safety Professional from USA they are doing, they are having a, different certifications, and they are having a different designations. The most highest certification is CSP. So today we are going to talk about how to achieve the CSP and what are the benefits in the CSP, and what are the qualifications required to achieve the CSP, and what are the experience required to achieve the CSP. So before going into that, so let us see what are the different kind of certifications available in the BCSP, and what are the different kinds of designations available in the CSP. So BCSP is having a different type of certifications and different type of designations. So we will not talk about all. We will talk about very important things. So first of all, there are CSP, Certified Safety Professional, and ASP, Associated Safety Professional. To achieve a CSP, what are the minimum education is required from is minimum of bachelor of degree in any field, like even in mechanical or electrical or from civil, and at least 4 years of experience, where at least he has to spend 50% in the health and safety department. And apart from this, he should have a quality certifications, which we will talk about later. The application fee for the CSP would be $160, and then exam fee it would be like $350, and the eligibility to extend the fees, it's $100. Renewal fee, with that after completion of exam, we have to every year we have to give $180 for them, and exam duration would be 5.5 hours. Exam scores, out of 175 we need to take 99 points, and but if you write the CSP exam, that would be 200 questions, like around we need to take around more than 110 or 150 marks in that one, and recertification we have to keep 25 points. Okay, this is about the CSP. So to get a CSP, we should have a minimum bachelor degree and work experience, and 1 degree from the health and safety department, that we will talk later. Okay, when coming into the ASP, To take a ASP also, we should have a minimum bachelor degree from any field, in associated field, and we should have a courses of 12 semester course only required. We need not to have a 4 years course, and work experience should be at least 1 year, and in that also at least 50% from the health and safety department. Okay, here also application fee 160, balance or will be same here. Then passing score will be little bit less. Here out of 175, we need to take 93 marks. Okay. Apart from this, there are two designations are available. One is GSP, another one is TSP. So the GSP, to achieve the GSP, we should have a bachelor or master degrees from a QAAP program. What is QAAP program? I will tell you later. And experience, we don't need any experience. And after getting the GSP, we can directly go into the CSP. We are taking the way of ASP. Here application fee is 25. Examination, we don't have any examination for GSP. If you have if you have get any master degree or bachelor degree from their QAP program, we don't need anything on the exams. So to achieve a GSP, BCSP is having some QAP program. Means some bachelor degrees or master degrees is approved from the QAP program. Like if you like from India, if you now achieve a master of engineering degree from Anna University, we can get their QAP program, and we can get the GSP by paying $25. Okay, if you get a GSP, you can directly apply to the CSP. Means we can get a way of ASP. Same way TSP also. TSP also you have to see some credential from the QAP program. If you have that credential from QAP program, you can get a way of ASP, and you can directly go for a CSP. So there are 3 ways to go to the CSP in the BCSP itself. First thing is, you can achieve a ASP. For that, to go for ASP, you have to write an exam. Okay. Another thing that you can go for you can achieve a GSP. This is a designation. You can achieve a GSP. To achieve a DSP, you have to check whether your master degree or your bachelor degree is from the approved QAP program. If you have approved from your master degree or your bachelor degree is approved from the QAP program, you can achieve a GSP. From through, you can go through the CSP. Same way TSP also. Your credential from your what are the minimum education you have got approval from a QAP program, then you can directly get a TSP. Through TSP also you can directly achieve a CSP. These are the 3 ways to achieve a to participate in a CSP. So CSP requirements. So let us see the one by one. What are the CSP requirements? First of all, you should have a minimum bachelor degree. The bachelor degree from civil or mechanical or engineer or electrical or electronics. And the experience wise, you should have a minimum of 4 years of health and safety experience. In that one, at least 50%, you should be exclusively working in the health and safety department. Okay. And third is very important. You should have a you should have a BCSP quality credential from out of this 12, which we discussed in last time. You should achieve a ASP, or you could have achieved a GSP, or you could have achieved a TSP or CAH member. If you have a CAH number, you can directly write a CSP examination. Or if you done CMIOs, if you have a CMIOs also, you can directly write a CSP examination. Or if you have a certificate from CRSP, then also you can directly write examinations. And 7th, it is basically from US Army Department, guys. And certified safety engineers from the administration of work. This is from the China. Okay. Our master in occupational health and safety international training center from the ILO, or NIBOS national diploma or international diploma. Even if you are having a NIBOS national diploma or international diploma, you can directly write a CSP. And you have a professional member from a Singaporean institute also, means Cisco. You can directly write a CSP. And diploma or certificate from industrial safety as issued by the state government departments, Board of Education. Like from India, you can see, you can ask RLA or CLI. If you have a qualifications from RLA or CLI like diploma, you can directly write a CSP. And after, if you have a means to write a CSP examination, first, if you have this all three, you have a bachelor degree and you have 4 years of experience, or from this listed 12, if you have any one, you can directly write a CSP examination. To write a CSP examinations, you have to go to the website BCSP, before which we have shown. And from the BCSP, you have to create your profile, and you have to, after creating your profile, you have to submit all this, your bachelor degrees and your experience and your quality certificate, or your BCSP quality credential. You have to submit all these three. You have to submit it, and you have to pay a $160. So what BCSP will do after they may go for a verification of your profiles. They may verify your bachelor degrees, and they may verify your experience details, and they will verify the BCSP quality credential. After that, they will give the approval to sit in the examinations. From that date, when you got approval to sit in the examinations, you will be having a 1 year time to sit the examinations. So during that time, you have to, you have to go and prepare for the CSP examinations. So after the preparations, you have to book the examinations. To book the examinations, you have to pay a $350. And that after that, we can guide you how to book the examination, all kind of this. Then you have to maintain the certification. So for maintain the certification, you have to do a annual renewal fee for around $180 or recertification requirements. So why CSP is so important, or that we will see. So the blueprint. So what are the things you have to study during the examinations? For means there are 9 domains are there. So you have to study all the 9 domains. Like domain 1 will talk about the advanced science and maths. Maybe it will be having around 10% credit score for that. And management systems around 13%. Risk management, which is more important topic in the CSP, will be having a 14 or 15% one. Advanced application of key concept. In this one, they will be talking about the noise, and they will be talking about the radiation requirement. There are so many other requirements are there. So which is also play an important role in that one. Maybe 14.69, maybe 15% one. And about the domain 5, it will be having a emergency preparedness, fire prevention, and security. So here, emergency preparedness, they will be talking about the role of safety officer in case of emergency, and role of project manager, role of communication officers. And fire preventions, they are talking about the what are the different type of fire prevention method, what are the different type of classes of fires, all will be having in that one. And coming into the domain 6, occupational health and ergonomics. So here also they are talking about more about the occupational health and ergonomics level, and environment management system. Finally, training and education, law and ethics. Here, if you see in CSP, in every, I will not take up all the subject, but some subjects they will be having a calculations also, like a risk management and advanced key safety concepts and fire preventions. Every area they are having a calculations. So everything, and from our consultant, we are more strength, and we are having a more knowledge how to guide our students regarding the calculation, because many areas people, because we are all the health and safety professional working for more than 20 years or 15 years, we may forget the sum of the calculation also. So from our safety consultant, we are very strong on the calculation part, and we will guide you properly on the calculations, as well as we will properly guide you on the guesses. And if you are from UAE, we are having offices in the UAE also. We can directly conduct a online classes as well as direct classes also, and even we can directly if you come to our office also, we are more happy to guide you also. Okay. And so what is the benefit of the CSP? Because when we are putting so many efforts, we should know what is the benefit of the CSP. Okay, because I will not go to the many things. The two thing is that able to achieve the chartered member IS course level in very easy manner. If you even if you have a NIBOS diploma or something, you will be getting a only grad IOS. From the grad IOS, after keeping your CPD only, they are converting into the CMS. But if you are having a CSP, you can directly get a CMIOS, and after that you can show your IFT also. And apart from that, you can directly get access to the CRSP program, which through we can get a jobs in Canada also may be easily achievable. Because when you are putting so many efforts and when you are achieving a high, very good target of CSP, you should have some benefits also. And apart from this, CSP is mostly recognized by all the clients. Like when I was working in Expo 2020 to become a health and safety manager of Expo 2020 in even contractor side, there one of the requirement is CSP member. So now in most of the clients, okay, in the most of the clients, they were asking for, have you completed a CSP? Have you completed the because the CSP is like now golden standard in the Gulf, even USA, as well as even India also. So the CSP is much recognized by the most of the clients in the world. So to achieve the CSP, and apart from this, okay, to get the job also, when you are studying the CSP, the beauty of the thing is that you can get a subject knowledge very thoroughly. No, it's not like only like theory. Because as a health and safety professional, we are more peoples, we will more talk and we will know the theory wise better. But when people says that, we may be little bit lack in the technical part. But when you are studying a CSP, your technical knowledge in health and safety and also will improve. And if you see like radiation from a health and safety point of view, we will be see that we will have to barricade like a 20 feet or 60 feet. But if you study CSP, you will come to know that why we have to do it at 20 feet, or why you have to do it at 60 feet. These are the calculations are available in the CSP. So it will be more interesting also if you study this one. When you are any of your project manager or health and project manager, site engineer is coming asking why you want to make a barricade of 20 feet or 40 feet, you can easily show the calculations. Sir, these are the calculations. That's why we have to make an addition, and nobody even can talk to you because you are also so competent on this part. So studying the CSP will give you more confident on you, and we can achieve so many things also in the future. Okay, when we talk about sorry, there are so many questions in the chat thing. Just give us 5 to 10 more minutes. We will complete this one. Then we will answer one by one on the what are your questions. We will answer one by one on those. Okay, to get a GSP, that because before we are talking about to get the GSP, if you go to the GSP website itself, there are so many colleges are got approved from the GSP. If you have done studied one of the colleges, you can easily achieve the GSP from means like from Anna University. If you have a master's in industrial safety, you can easily achieve the GSP. After achieving the GSP, you can directly go to the GSP without writing the ASP also.
मुश्किल नहीं, अब ऑर्डर करते हैं अभी एक नहीं दो है ना, मेरे को भी बोलो, मैं सुबह का आएगा, सुबह ड्यूटी पे जाने की वो सुबह रखेगा, ठीक है.
Right. So if you want to know about more about quality academic program, just give us anything. Sorry, give us your query. We will answer you on this one. Okay, like same on the TSP. To achieve a TSP also, you should have studied from any one of their this one. The link is available. Link is available here. You can check that one. Okay. So these are the basic things about the CSP, how to achieve the CSP, all these things. So, and from our consultant, we are happy to help you. We are going to start our classes from December 10th, and we have a competent lecturers. So we are happy to help you on this. So before stopping these classes, we will be having a sample of just CSP questions for 5 CSP. We have taken a 5 CSP questions, and we will discuss the solutions also later. But what we suggest is, so we will show the questions. You can have an answer. You can note it down. You can write it down your answers, and you can check. After during the solutions whether your answers are correct or not. Okay, so let's go for questions on CSP questions. Right. The question number 1 is, safety officer was given a task to measure the a chemical concentration in a particular room at factory. And then initial findings relieved that chemical concentration in the room is, okay, 10% of LEL. Okay. And LEL of that chemical is 1%. So how much chemical concentration is present in a particular room? 1000 ppm, 10,000 ppm, 9% decrease than LEL value, 9% increase than LEL value. So I will repeat, and we will be having, we will be just keeping these questions for just for 1 more minute. You can read it out and you can note down your answer. Safety officer was given the task to measure the chemical A concentration, okay, in a particular room at the factory. The initial findings revealed that the chemical concentration in that room is 10% of the LEL value, and the LEL value of the chemical A is 1%. Okay, how much chemical concentration is present in the particular room? So the choices are 1000 ppm, 10,000 ppm, 9% decrease than LEL value, 9% increase than LEL value. Okay, so just note it down your answer. We will see after 5 minutes. We will see whether your answers are correct or not. Right? Shall we go to the next question? Okay, we will wait for 1 more minute, just for you to think and answer it. Just we'll be waiting for 1 more minute. After that, we'll go to the next question.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
This is this class for IGC or
This
IGC
class is for
students are
CSP.
also here.
Pardon?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Mr. Lokesh, we will
This
answer
class
your,
for
all
CSP.
the queries after the, session. Just give us 5
Yes.
to 10 more minutes. We will answer all your queries. All right? Okay. We'll go to the next sample questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fire prevention is a function of many fire departments. The goal of the fire prevention is to educate the public to take precautions, not to prevent the potential harmful fires. Which of the following is most effective fire preventions? A, smoke detectors and heat detectors. B, carbon monoxide sensors. C, explosion-proof cabinets for storing the gasoline cans. D, well-maintained fire extinguishers. Just read the question and just note it down your answers. See, these are the sample questions which we collected from the CSP database only. So like this only, CSP, if you are writing a CSP examination, you may get a 200 questions. Right? So shall we go for an, okay. Okay, we'll just wait for 1 more minute for all of us to think and, to do answers. Right. We'll go to the next thing. Look at the table below and select the most flammable substance on the air concentration. Okay. So here they have given you the LFL and LFL and UFL value, lower flammability limit and air flammability limit. From that one, you have to select the you have to select the most flammable chemical. For the acetone, the LFL value is 2.5%, UFL value is 13%. For carbon disulfide, LFL value is 1.3%, UFL value is 50%. For ethanol, LFL value is 3.3%, UFL value is 9%. For gasoline, 1.4%, UFL value is 7.6. So by keeping this data, you have to find out the most flammable substance on the air concentrations, whether it is acetone or carbon disulfide or ethanol or gasoline. Okay, let's just think and just think and answer. We will be discussing the answers also after a very short time. Okay, the symbol of the battery, symbol of electrical battery. So the 4 symbols are given below. Just check the symbols and answer, and just think and answer it. So these are the questions I have recently collected from the means recently we have collected from the CSP question banks or from the CSP things, and we are just putting it some few samples. Just think and answer this. Right. So we'll go for a final question. Okay. Which type of automatic fire suppression system utilize the sensors within a protected area in addition to the sensor in the each sprinkler get to open a valve and fill the distribution system before the sprinkler get open, whether it's a wet type or a dry type or a pre-action or deluge system. Just read the questions. Which type of fire suppression system utilize the sensors within a protected area in addition to the sensor in each sprinkler head to open a valve and fill the distribution pipe before the sprinkler gets open? Right? Just think in cool mind and answer it. Then we will discuss the answers. After discussing the answers, then we'll go to the chat box and we will answer for all your questions. Right? Shall we discuss the answers now? Okay. So the first question, the solution is, see, the LEL means 1% of LEL means like 100% is means parts per million, 1 million. Okay, so 1% is from 1 million into 0.01 means 10,000 ppm. So the measured quantity is 10% of LELs. Means from the 10,000 we have to put 0.1, we have to multiply into 0.1 1000. So the answer is 1000 ppm. So whoever put the 1000 ppm, it's correct, because the 1% of 1% of LEL is from the, if you take 1% of LEL is 10,000 ppm, because we were talking about ppm, parts per millennium. Okay, so millennium means 10 lakh. In that 1% is 10,000 ppm. In that also again what he measured, 10% of is LEL value. From 1000 is measured only is 10%. So it is 1000 ppm. So you are clear? So the first answer is 1000 ppm, right? Okay, when we come into the next second solution, the answer is C, because smoke detectors or heat detectors these are used for the fire detection only. Means if there is any fire only, it will detect. Even fire extinguishers can prevent the fire. We can prevent the fire from escalating only. But storing in the flammable liquid such as gasoline in the explosion-proof cabinets can prevent the fire itself too from the starting onwards. Okay, if you are storing it in explosion proof cabinets, it won't allow the fire to start itself. So that is only a successful thing. So answer is C. When we start for the solution 3, the answer is B. If you go to this one, why? Why? Because carbon disulfide, LFL value is much lower, 1.3. So the most flammable substance is carbon disulfide only. So answer B. Okay. Then solution 4, battery symbol is this, capacitor symbol is this, resistor symbol is this, inductor symbol is this. So answer is A. So the battery symbol, one big line and small line, one big line and small line. This is battery symbol. Capacitor symbol, both are same. This resistor symbols will be like, V shapes, and inductor symbols are like, if you are electrical engineers, you may know that. And if we are health and safety department also, you will be knowing that. Okay. So the last question answer is pre-action, sprinklers only, because pre-action sprinklers is a special type of dry pipe system that utilize the additional sensor which cause the affected area of system to fill the water before the sprinkler head open. So the advantage of reaction system over the traditional dry system is delivers the pressurized water pipe to the to the affected parts of the system more quickly than the straight dry pipe system, because it is having a additional sensor also. This additional sensor will sense the affected area and keep the water ready in the affected area before the sprinkler heads open. So when the sprinkler heads open, the affected area will get the more water immediate basis. So the pre-action system is the correct answer. So how many people are get 5 out of 5? I wish everybody would have got a 5 out of 5. And why we are keeping these sample questions means you can also understand that CSP how the questions would be. Right now we'll go for if you have any questions, you can type it in the chat box. We will go to the one by one. Right. Sir, I have a OTHM level 6. I can apply CSP. Mr. Chandra, you can, if you are having a OTHM level 6, first you have to apply a TSP, which we are discussing in the slides. You have to apply a TSP, and you have to get the TSP before you can go for apply a CSP, because by keeping the OTHM, you cannot directly apply a CSP, but you can apply the TSP first. After getting the TSP, you can directly apply for a CSP. For getting the TSP, it's only the application fee, like $25. If you apply that one, you can easily get that one. And Raymond, I have a NIBOS old system. Can I apply for CSP? Yes. If you have a NIBOS, from the diploma, you can directly apply a CSP. If you are having a bachelor of degree from any of the college, approved college, right? OTHM level 6 is not recognized to apply. Yeah, we discussed this one. You can directly check this one. What is the minimum certificate required for CSP? We have discussed this also. There are 3 things is mandatory. Bachelor of degree from any approved colleges. You can have a bachelor civil, electrical or mechanical. That is the first qualification. And experience wise, you should have a minimum of 4 years of experience. And from the BSP criteria, you should have. I have shown you a 13 list. Okay, ASP, CSP, sorry, GSP, TSP, NIBOS diploma. There are CMIOs. There are 13 lists. From that 13 list, if you have anything, you can directly, if you have, you can directly apply a CSP, right? Question 2, answer is A. We have discussed all the questions and answers. May I know if all the questions are objective types? Yes, Mr. Sundar, all the questions are objective types only. All the 200 questions are from objective types only, and you will be getting a time of 5.5 hours to write all the examinations. So to write all the questions. And in that one, if you get more than 115 or 120, which will be selected during that time, you can pass in this one. So what is the minimum certificate before CSP? We have discussed this. Okay, answers we already discussed. I have a zoology degree, bachelor degree. Can I apply? Yeah. Now, if you see, they are not talking about any engineering bachelor degree. You can try with that, Mr. Vasan. You can check. You can send your certificates and check with them. But apart from bachelor degree, you should have the a NIBOS diploma or ASP or GSP or TSP. Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Hi, gentlemen. Still,
Okay.
yeah. Any
Okay.
doubt you can type on the chat box. Also, you can talk to us if you have any doubt still not clear. You can talk to us. We will clear in the live classes. Okay. Also, you can visit us also directly in our Dubai office or India office.
Right. One more doubt, Mr. S. Sir, I have a master degree and 10 years experience in environment and 2 years in HSC. Can I apply CSP directly? Yeah. See, because what they are asking is they have in that 4 years of experience. In that one, you should have a minimum of 50%. Like now, you have 10 years experience and you have 2 years of HSP. You can you can try in this one. You can try because you have to show the experience at least 48 months. In that months, you 24 months, you would have, should have experience in health and safety department. I think you can also try, but from the master degree, from which you have done a master degree, that we have to see it. Okay, from which university you have done a master degree. So what you can do is, Mr. SR, you can directly check the GSP because if you go for a QAEP, you can directly check a GSP. If you got a GSP, through that, you can go for a CSP. So links are available in our class, this one, right? Thank you, sir. What is the total? Total expenses, see, for the applications, you have to go for a $160 and examination fee, that would be a $350. That is a mandatory thing. Apart from that, if you want to go for any studies, that you should select for that. AED around it will be 2000 AED total expenses. Master degree environment from the NIT Suttarkal. Just check in the QAP program. If it is there, you can go for a GSP first. Through GSP, you can get a CSP, Mr. Yes, sir. How many days we have to spend this? Okay, CSP. If you from my suggestion, okay, we should go for at least minimum of 240 hours studies are required because the course materials, the course, everything, minimum of 240 hours. If you are spending like in 3 months, if you are, putting your efforts, yeah, you can achieve this. And if you have any other questions also, you can ask directly, need not to chat also. We are just.
You can talk and ask us if any doubts still you are not clear. Okay, our expert is available now. So you can ask us, we will clear actually. Or because you have any other doubt, maybe that we have contact number here. Okay, email ID. Also still you can note it on our number. Okay, we are going to start class on CSP. It's around 30 hours class actually. Okay, coming 10th December, we're going to start the classes. Every day, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. We will schedule the schedule actually because night classes, virtual, and calculations and all. You can come into the direct visit and the fifth classes also. We will work it out. The total preparatory training classes fee will be around 1,500 dirham, and this around 30 hours. We will give you the important question and answers. We have the question bank and answer, and if you are preparing that, definitely you are going to be passed actually.
Okay. Again, please, about how many days we need to spend. Mr. Mohammed, this hours I'm just telling is, according to my knowledge, 240 hours of minimum study is required, to pass a CSP examinations. Like in the 240 hours, like if you are, spending daily 2 hours, it may be a 120 days, like 4 hours. If you are spending just only, 1 hour, it may be like, 8 months. If you are spending 3 hours, it depends upon you. And minimum of 6 months of study is required, if you are to crack the CSP in the first time itself. I will tell you. And if you are attending the core classes from us, everything, we can guide you, how to get it in very fast manners, because we are having a more than 2,000 sample questions with us, and very important questions and all. We can we can give you, and you can study it in a fast manner.
Yeah. Any other question, Mr. Uthman? Any other, Mr. Sundars, Mr. Waskins, any doubt, please ask us or chat us, we can explain you. The total preparatory training classes will be around 30 hours. Okay, this classes is going to be start December 10th. It will be the night classes, virtual Zoom classes only. Okay, any doubt? Okay, if you have any more doubt in the future, maybe you can send us email ID I have mentioned here, and you can chat us also, because we have the 2 WhatsApp number. Okay, 0097158681056, 0097158561522. Okay, the email ID is info@m2safety.com, and www.m2academy.com. There is a lot of contact numbers available. If you have any doubt in the future, any admission related inquiries, you can contact us directly actually. Any doubt? Final.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.